Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add cards to lists in Trello, so let's get right into it. Now, this is one of the basics of Trello you need to know so that you can use it very easily. So let's just go ahead and go into a board first. I'm going to go into this test board here, and as you can see, I already have a list with 2 cards. Now, I'm going to create another list. I'll just name it test. And now I have another list, and as you can see below it, I have the add a card button, which I can click and create a new card, or I could click here to choose from a template or create a new template. If I don't have any, I'll just create a card. For example, I don't know, test task, and now I have the card. Now this is not the end of your work. You need to go click onto the card and go into this menu where you can edit your cards. You can add a description, you can watch the card itself, you can add comments, or you can link members to it so that they get assigned tasks. You can add labels so that it has different colors and different text so that you know what this task is pertaining to. You can add checklists, which are pretty much just sublists which you can use within tasks, or cards so that you can have an easier way of seeing what has been done, what hasn't been. You can add a start date and a due date, as well as a reminder. If you set a due date, you can set it from minutes before to the instant that date is supposed to be, and you can also add 3 days earlier. As far as I know, you can add attachments, which are pretty much any file you can think of if it is not too big. And if you add an image file, you can just do the same in cover, and that'll add sort of a cover image to this task. I'll select this one. I'm not sure why that happened, but let's select that one, and I'll select this to give it a nice background. You can edit it by clicking here on cover. You can then add a location as well as custom fields and power-ups and automation to make your life easier. But that is pretty much how you create a card. As you can see, this is what it looks like. If I go in and if I change the color to cover to this, as you can see, I have the label over here. I don't have any dates or any watch parameters since I didn't enable that, but that is how you create a card. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.